Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today I have a project share and it's for inspiration. There's no tutorial, but I wanted to share this with you, something I made. Now the main ingredients to this, and first of all, this is an 8x8 with a 2-inch spine. But the main ingredients to this, and I don't sell it, I saw that it became available. It's a brand new paper line out, and I ended up using it. I bought it off their Etsy store. This is a paper pack that is 8.5 by 8.5, and you get 12 double-sided sheets, and it's by Salty Beach Scrapper Designs. And it's designed by Kimmy Murray, and assistant creative director is Debbie Adams. So you may recognize those names. And I ended up using 2 of these paper packs from their store. And I'll put the link underneath the video for it in case you'd like to grab it. And then I'll show you some of the other things that I used in this as we go. And I'll put links underneath the video in case you're interested, because I did get some stuff from my store for this. So right on the cover, what you're going to see is some leaves and stuff, and that's from my store. I got the Heartfelt Creations Leafy Accent Stamp and Die, and then I used some green inks for that. And then the sunflowers. Now we have a lot of sunflower and different kind of flowers that are like 49 cents a bundle. So you'll definitely want to check those out. It's not just sunflowers, but we have different variety of flowers and different sizes in these too. But that's what I ended up using. The butterflies from the collection. And I think this just came out absolutely beautiful. So opening up to the first page here, I have a fold out with a pocket on top, and I have a picture mat in there. And you can also slide back behind this. So it's really pretty. Oh, the lace. The lace came from my store. I think this is called Pointed Floral, and throughout this I used it, but I also cut off strips of it too, because might as well. 1 piece, 1 yard, and I think this is all I had left out of the yard, but I was able to cut off strips from down here or just use it like that. And this, the die, was the Frame a Card Leafy Borders, one of my all-time favorites. So let's open this up. And what I have here is just a layout so I can just plant some photos. Over here is a large side pocket where I was able to get some picture mats in. The next page I did a belly band with the lace, and I was able to get a picture mat back there, and I can get more stuff in there, but anyway, I made a folder. I haven't placed any paper in here, and I will be doing some solid colored cardstock for that, but I thought that looked really pretty. I love the yellows in this. I absolutely adored it, so I tried to bring the yellow into each one of the pages. Down here is a large fold out, and it just folds up like this, and I got a couple picture mats in there. So, next page I left alone so I could just plant a photograph. Over here is a double fold out. And I've got 2 pockets over here, and then I have this space right here to lay photographs. Coming to the last pages, I have a little tuck here, and I put a photo mat in there, and then I can put some photos over here. And then I did the belly band again because I really liked it. And then I stuffed a picture mat, and I have a folder. So that is what I created with this beautiful paper. And do stop by their shop and see. I know they're coming out with some Christmas papers, so I saw a post on Facebook about that, and we'll all have to check that out. But I thought I would share it with you. I hope you've enjoyed this inspirational video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also click on the little bell so that you get notifications whenever I release a video. And please comment underneath the video so I know you're there. Happy crafting, everyone, and I will see you real soon.